Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to cook a version of Filipino breakfast dish, beef tapa, marinated in Coca Cola, topped with crispy garlic. Here are the ingredients: 400 grams beef cut into thin slices, 4 cloves garlic, minced, half cup Coca Cola, 1/4 cup soy sauce, salt, pepper, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. The first step is to marinate the beef. Add the soy sauce, cola, sugar, a pinch of salt, and pepper. Give it a gentle mix to distribute the flavors equally. Keep the beef in the fridge and marinate for 4 hours. After 4 hours, we can now fry our beef. But before we do that, let's first make our crispy garlic toppings. This is very simple to make. Place some oil in a pan, enough to submerge the garlic. Immediately add the garlic and stir continuously while the oil gets hot. Do this in low to medium heat. My pro tip is do not wait for the oil to get hot before adding the garlic. The hot oil will surely burn the garlic. Be patient because this will turn golden brown in just a couple of minutes. Looking good? Once the garlic turned brown, immediately remove from the pan to prevent from burning. Burnt garlic has a bitter taste and we do not want that. Set aside for a while. In the meantime, let's fry the beef. Using the same pan, fry the beef in medium heat and cook until all the liquid evaporates. This will take around 5 to 6 minutes. Once all the liquid evaporate, give it a few mix to brown the beef equally. I think this is done. Remove the beef from the pan and place in kitchen towel to drain the excess oil. And it's done! Arrange in a nice plate and top with crispy garlic. The addition of crispy garlic leveled up the beef tapa, giving it a nice crunch. Try this at home and give us a feedback if you like this recipe. Enjoy! Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!